Peter's birthday. It was Peter's birthday. His father cooked meat and taro.
Sound it out, love.
Taro.
Good girl.
And banana. His mother cooked a cake. Peter put on a record and all the family danced. You dance, Peter, they said. Peter danced for the family. His dog Fatty came in. She ran up and down and barked. Hey, said Peter, this isn't your birthday. Out you go. Fatty's ears went down. Her tail went down. Out, 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 said Peter. So Fatty went out. On the way, she ate some of the cake.
And that's the end of the story. And so what do you think the story was about, Becky?
Well, it was Peter's birthday and Peter cut on a record. The family said, Peter dance, and Peter danced for the family. Fatty came in and Peter said, hey, it's not your birthday, out you go. Out, out, out. And so Fatty went out, but before she did, she ate some of the cake.
Oh, goodness me, what a naughty doggy.
No, she didn't.
Oh, you don't think so?
No.
Oh. Bye-bye.